Good morning, everyone. Looks like the microphone is working. There we go. Friday, the 27th of February. Can't wait. March will be here and gone. It's supposed to be in the high 60s or 70s here. Not this week coming up, but maybe the next week. I mean, who knows? It could change, and it will change, and it'll probably be a snowstorm. Okay, let's look. I haven't really looked. 192 yesterday, so great day, up from 105, up off to 1327 today. 14 orders for 168. I have no idea what I'm going to do for the thumbnail. Haven't even thought about it. Let me figure that out. Okay, it's generating. It's generating for me now. You'll see the thumbnail, so do you want to know more? Greatest movie ever made. It's a cheesy movie, but damn, I have to watch it every time it's on. I gotta pull this card. And if you're an uncultured swine and you don't know what movie I'm talking about, Starship Troopers. It's amusing. I like it. I like it. Okay, P32. So, anybody got any plans for the weekend? No plans here. Do we have any plans? I don't think we have plans. P32. Always eBay. Okay, what's this? Elmira, New York. State Reformatory. Not a huge seller. When I first started listing, I was like, ooh, a jail, a prison, that's cool. $5 is $5. Ooh, there's some creases. I can see them. That looks like a crease to me. No major issues. eBay seems to be working, which is good. Besides the glitch with the defaulting to media mail for shipping, and still can't see people's feedback and all the other problems. But hey, it seems to be working just fine. What's this one? Oh, the little trolls from, this is Sweden. I always thought they were Norway. Oop, postcard box fell apart. What is this one? What are they doing? Like, just little kids? You're not scared of that thing? I guess it is big and fluffy. Just wants some scritches. I got a whole bunch of them. They've been listed for a while. Oh, looks like they got married. Yeah, this is the first one that's sold. I got half a dozen of them or more. Cool little card. Yeah. Yeah, I like the thumbnail. I had to. It didn't want to do copyright infringement ones, but yeah, I kind of like that thumbnail. Great movie. I'm gonna have to watch it. That and it's at the Edge of Time, the Tom Cruise one. It's like The Edge of Tomorrow. Is it Emily Blunt in that? Tom Cruise. It's like Starship Troopers meets Groundhog Day type of thing. I like that movie too. I'll watch that every time it's on. Ooh, that's an old one. Look how old this one is. Oof. Can't see. Oh, my card stay popped. What happened there? There we go. See, this is what they sell for open top bin boxes. This cardboard that you can supposedly bend, and whatever, a baseball diamond. They want 50 cents or $1 each for these things. So mine, and once you bend it all to hell, anyway, you know the card stays, so this needs up a little bit. Actually, I'm going to turn this one around the way it should be. This might have been like the first prototype that I've had to adjust. Maybe that's what my issue is. Okay, anyway, Japan. This is back when I just did... you're not going to see it very well. Just tabs. So it was Asia, UK, Africa. Oh, look at that. Right on top. Right on top. Sleeve still looks good. Let me keep this down because I saw they ordered some. Let me see. There were other orders. Looks like they're. Oh, what's this one? Huh. I think these are from the same time, and someone had watched this at one time. So I scanned it and fixed it up. Yeah, there it is. Gee, which one would you buy? That one? I mean, they bought them both, but man, these have been listed for 14, 15 years easily. Easily they've been listed that long. Let me see if he bought any more. No, no more. Okay. Let me see what else we got. We did those two. So let me see. Anything? There's that postcard show up in Norwalk. I'm not sure if there's anything else. Let's see. Going on this weekend. Anybody know of anything? Next weekend? Is it next weekend? Next weekend's the photo show in DC. And after that, I can't remember. I got a lot of stuff coming up. Got to keep selling. Oh, taxes. I turn all my stuff into tax guy. I haven't heard back from the tax guy. I don't know if I mentioned on here. I haven't done my donations yet. And I told him as much, and he said I might not need to worry about it this year. So I don't know if that's a good sign or a bad sign. And I think I pulled BC6. I did. I don't know what that is. I don't know if it's dyslexia or just has with the ADHD or ADD or whatever the fuck I got. Or just plain stupidity. Or just not paying attention. Whatever it is. So anyway, get yourself a tax guy. My stress level is not as high as it used to be in years. I mean, I'm still going to have to pay out the ass, I think. But a couple months ago, before he had everything, I had made quarterly payments, which I hadn't usually done. And I made significant quarterly payments, federal. And he told me don't send a fourth one because I've already sent enough. So maybe this will be the year that I actually get a federal refund, but I'm going to owe in state. I know I'm going to owe in state. Fun. Taxes. This sleeve is all jacked up. This is a big card. It's almost continental size. Big card. Yeah, I like that thumbnail. I'm looking at it. Let me see what else we got. AW5. Ow. And if you do want to learn more about making money with postcards, you like and subscribe. You can join my membership. $4.99 or $5. Apple's going to nail you with an extra $2 fee. So if you have an Android or computer, join that way. And I think you can still watch it on your Apple. But I'm not 100% sure. What am I doing? I'm looking over at that screen. AW5. Colchester Beach. That can be good sometimes. Beachy Town, Maryland. Although, it might be on the Potomac River. I can't remember. It has a beach. It's called Colchester Beach. I can't remember. I don't know my Maryland geography on the Eastern Shore. Where is it? There it is. Seashell border. Embossed? Barely. Okay. There's that. Maybe I'll hit an antique mall next week. I don't know. I was just getting ready to say, I sold no airplane cards yesterday. Yeah, none. Usually I'm good for at least one, and it's this one. This whole stack is pretty much airports. Well, maybe not all, but I mean, some of these are pretty damn cool. All the flight crew, interior. But there are airports. And they can do pretty well. Some foreign. So if you ever going through, a box of Continental cards and you're like, look for the airplane ones. Airline issued, airports. They're collectible. Was this Hawaii or Lake Tahoe? Close enough there, Hoss. Come on. Well, it's Lake Tahoe. Lake Tahoe can be pretty good by itself. Please pack securely. Why did you pay? You probably paid nothing for shipping. Don't you like that when they tell you how to pack? Especially when they have this blurb and they can see how I'm going to pack it. No great mystery. Don't be cheap. So it's a birthday present for my grandma on Tuesday. I need it here. I don't know why I'm doing that. But I'm not willing to pay $5 for shipping, boy. I have about 100 of these. How many? Again, not great sellers, but they sell. Let me check it. Sometimes, if I have multiple quantities, sometimes the picture, like this one has a teeny stain. Yeah, although look at the stains down there. There's staining down here, but my card has a little stain up there, so they're getting this one because they're actually in better condition. AV23. I think I'll do a Whatnot show tomorrow. I mean, I still got all those boxes over there. I don't know how I'm going to get rid of them. Pounders, maybe. Do a couple boxes. AV23, Eagles Cliff, New York, Eagle Lake. When did I list these? I didn't mark it down. Maybe back in April or May. Last year. Come on. I think I have more than 50 in this tab. Jeez. It's going to be, what, the last card? That ain't it. That ain't it. There it is. Jeez. Bridge across Eagle Lake. There's that one. For recipe talk, I did Found this lady on a reel on Instagram. She's a Hispanic lady, heavy makeup, but she has like one huge eyelash. I mean, it's freaking huge, and she like just kind of like screams at the camera. I think she's hilarious, but she's like, "This is how you make Spanish rice or Mexican rice," and the amount of water, you use 3 cups of water per 1 cup of rice, and you just think it's way too much water, and you just heat it up and don't touch it type of thing, and you're like, man, this is gonna suck, and it's freaking delicious. The lightest, fluffiest rice I've ever had. That, and since my daughter's celiac disease, can't have gluten, we're pretty much a gluten-free house now. Which some of the gluten bread sucks. I will say that, except for except for regular bread, we are pretty much gluten free. And pasta, we like our pasta because gluten free pasta just kind of sucks. But anyway, I made from scratch shake and bake, so you have to use gluten free breadcrumbs and spices, and it turned out pretty damn good. So I am the cook in the house. Another old one. 16 minutes. I haven't paused it. I'm just rambling on. I remember listening to this too. Boy, oh boy, oh boy. That's a long time ago. Let's see if this catches in the head. No, made it safely. Georgia. What a mess. I've never inventoried these boxes. Never. Oh, right off there. Sure it's the right one? Yeah. It's a Holiday. Look at a minimalist there. Postcard, Georgia, Forsyth, Holiday Inn. Only took 12 years, but it's sold. Okay, what else we got? I was just in AV. Bayshore, Long Island, AV 18. Okay. I've had, knock on wood, I haven't had any INRs. I know I just jinxed myself. Haven't had any crazies. I don't think so. Beyond the normal crazies. And where is it? There it is. Except for the, last weekend when eBay just stopped sales for everybody. Need to put it back. Okay, everybody, I think that's it. Remember, the bug planet is attacking us, so we need to... I gotta watch that movie again. Okay, looks like that's it. Hit a postcard show tomorrow. Is it tomorrow or today? Tomorrow. And then I'll go to this one. Oh, I finally spoke to the guy. I actually called him, and so sometime over the next month, the card stay. The card stay I'll have some banner. I have to come up with a banner. It's like this big. I'll have to figure that out. Maybe I'll work on that today, but sometime over the next month there'll be card stays, and you can always order them through the link below if you want to join the membership. Link below. That's it. Have a great weekend. Hope your sales are wonderful.